Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add moon projection effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the video effect. And then at the menu, you can swipe until you can see a shadow. And then click on it. And after this, you can swipe down until you can see a moon projection. This is the moon projection effect, so you just click on it. And now you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed and then for the background animation. And after this, you can click check icon in here. And now I wanna add the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add a moon projection effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.